In this section of the program, we shall discuss the selection of abrasive wheels. When deciding the selection of a grinding wheel, several factors must be considered, namely, the material being worked on, be it ferrous, non-ferrous, hard or soft, the size of the wheel to be installed, the rated no-load speed of the machine spindle, the actual wheel type or design. Let's dwell a moment on types of wheels, a factor that is often neglected and a real cause of accidents. Firstly, and most importantly, it must be understood that there are two basic wheel types used on the angle grinding machines, namely the depressed center or BDA type and the straight or non-depressed cut-off wheels. The only wheel designed and recommended for angle grinding is the BDA depressed center type, which is reinforced to be able to take the flexing loads imposed during operation. Straight cut-off wheels are used solely for cut-off purposes, where no flexing forces are imposed. Never use a cut-off wheel for angle grinding. It will not resist the flexing action and as a result will shatter. All Norton depressed center wheels are carefully manufactured and reinforced to provide safety factors that will resist normal stresses imposed when grinding. Norton labels or blotters display certain information. Let's now learn what this all means. The large figures, that is 230 BDA 66, mean that the wheel is 230 millimeters in diameter. The letters BDA denote that the wheel type is of the depressed center type, and the next two figures give, in order of reading, the wheel thickness, in this case 6 millimeters, and the second 6 indicates the degree of hardness, or the grade. The small figures below repeat certain information such as the wheel's diameter and the wheel thickness. The figure 22,23 millimeters indicates the center hole diameter in millimeters. The MOS information refers to the maximum operating speed. In this example, the MOS figure is 6,650 revolutions per minute. This figure should not be less than the maximum no-load speed of your machine. Obviously, several wheels are manufactured to suit various applications. Commonly used wheel diameters are from 80, ranging up to 230 millimeters. Wheel thicknesses for grinding range from 2 to 10 millimeters. Note that cut-off wheels seldom exceed 4 millimeters and are mostly supplied in 2,5 and 3,2 millimeter thicknesses. All Norton labels clearly indicate for what application the wheel is designed. For example, a red and white label indicates a wheel suitable for steel work, whereas a blue and white or a green and white label indicates a wheel designed for masonry work. No hard and fast rules can be laid down for actual selection preferences, but we would like to offer a few guidelines to assist you, especially in terms of safety. Firstly, the wheel selected must be of the size or diameter to suit the machine. Never attempt to fit a wheel larger than the maximum diameter recommended by the machine manufacturer, or one that is larger than the wheel guard. Next, always select a wheel that has a maximum speed or MOS rating that is compatible to the maximum RPM no-load rating of the machine spindle. When in doubt, consult your machine's operator guide or ask your supervisor to assist in wheel selection. Don't take chances. The rule of thumb guide to selection of the grade or hardness factor is that soft materials require a hard wheel and hard materials a soft wheel. For example, mild steel, being relatively soft, can be ground using a wheel with number 6 hardness rating, whereas stainless steel would require a medium or soft rated wheel, that is a 4 or a 2 rating. We pause now in order that you may consult your workbook and discuss any queries with your course controller.